Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today what I wanted to talk to you all about is what is a two-pop. A two-pop is a beep that is placed on a countdown at the beginning of a program that is either being delivered or is in different stages of post-production in film, television, maybe even web video, depending on what you're doing. For example, if I was going to deliver this video to a post-production house that would do a sound mix for me, I would want to have a countdown, at least a two-pop, and a countdown at the beginning of this that I'm sending them the file, and then afterwards the program video would start. So you normally let your program video start at 01000000. That's your time code that it should say, that very first second of program. And what you do is you set your time code back in your editor, okay, a little bit, and you add your two-pop. And convention is usually to add a slate to a visual slate. So for example, a visual slate might look like this. For example, what you see on the screen right now, it usually lists the title, stuff like that, from what I understand, things like that. Okay, and then also after that, you'll have your two-pop. So for example, if we create this in DaVinci Resolve, we just go in and we create a text item for our slate. We put that in there. Let's say we have that on the screen for 10 seconds, right? And then we have a 10-second countdown with a two-pop. And so we'll do that. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and I'm going to just copy in this file with the numbers counting down for me that I've already made. And then you'll notice if we actually look here at the two-pop frame, the frame where the 2 is, it is one singular frame where the number 2 is on screen visually, and that is where we have the two-pop. So a two-pop opening to this right here that you're seeing right now would look something like this. And see, we're back. That would be what it was like if this was the beginning of the program, is that's what you would see. And so again, you would deliver that potentially to a broadcaster if they want a two-pop, which is pretty conventional in North America from what I'm aware. And then also additionally into post-production, if say you were delivering somebody like me that wants to mix the sound for you, and we're not going to use the original project, right? It's like in Pro Tools, or maybe it is in DaVinci, but you don't want to give me the project file. That's what I like to mix my sound in anyway. So if it's in DaVinci, you know, you don't even have to really do as much. But the industry standards to do it in Pro Tools anyway. But let me know your thoughts about this in the comments. Did you know what a two-pop was before today? It's very simple. Literally just the number 2 on screen for one frame, a beep, usually 1 kilohertz, and then cut to black for 2 seconds, and then program starts. That's literally it. Well, everybody, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all again very soon. Goodbye, everybody.
And action.